Do you ever dream about starting a Botox side hustle with cutting edge aesthetic techniques, but feel overwhelmed by endless options and information? Welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona, where IPAM's Aesthetic Medicine Symposium offers the ultimate solution to enhance your practice or start your new side hustle. Here, in the heart of Scottsdale, known for its year round sunshine and breathtaking vistas, medical professionals from around the globe gather to transform their skills and practices with IPAM's comprehensive training programs. The challenge: how do you stand out in the competitive world of aesthetic medicine? The answer lies in IPAM's hands-on training, guided by board-certified dermatologists designed to empower you with the latest techniques in Botox, dermal fillers, and more. Our symposium isn't just about learning, it's about experiencing. Held in a real dermatology setting, not a hotel room, you'll gain practical real-world skills that will set your practice apart. But it's not just education, it's about community. Network with like-minded professionals and learn from the best to ensure your practice is both profitable and fulfilling. When you're not in training, explore Scottsdale's vibrant arts scene, indulge in its culinary delights, or unwind in luxurious spas. It's the perfect blend of professional growth and personal relaxation. Join the ranks of over 10,000 successful IPAM certified providers. With a 98% recommendation rate, our program is your gateway to achieving practice autonomy and excellence in aesthetic medicine.